Do a quick check. What?
Set the mood by lighting a good-smelling candle and grab your mini oven-safe dishes. Preheat your oven to your favorite temperature. We chose 400. Prepare your cream sauce. We used sour cream, 4 types of cheese, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Grate the cheese and mix your sour cream and cheeses together. Spice till perfect. Thin the cream sauce with water as needed. Make your tomato sauce. We used a base of tomato paste, but I would recommend using tomato sauce for added moisture in the lasagna. Spice to your heart's content.
We added water to thin our tomato paste. Spice your choice of ground meat and cook thoroughly. We used a 1/4 pound ground beef.
Mix the tomato sauce and cooked meat together. Grab your lasagna. We used oven-ready lasagna. Oven-ready doesn't need to be boiled first. Break your lasagna to size. You may need to trim it as well. With our meat and cream sauces, lasagna noodles, and mini dishes, we are ready to begin layering our mini lasagnas. As a quick recap, we layered meat sauce, pasta, and cream sauce 3 times. Pop your mini lasagnas in the oven. We baked ours for about 25 minutes. Do a quick poke to check that your lasagna noodles are soft enough. Top with the cheese of your choice and kindly ask the cheese to melt. If it does not comply, broil till satisfied. These may not look like they came out of Reed Drummond's oven, but we sure love them. We hope this video blessed you. If you liked it, let us know in the comments below.